Thank you, Honda Philippines, for inviting me. I'm Al Camba of Inside Racing, and I'm very glad of this experience. I think this EM1E is pure Honda quality, stability sa braking, dynamics, feel. This bike, I think, is dun sa mga rider na on the fence, na gusto mag-electric scooter, but they want the build quality and the safety. Like I said, even from the tires, the brakes, and the ergonomics, and how smooth the engine is, it's purely Honda build quality. I think with the range of around 41 to 48 kilometers only, you will gladly accept it because you are purchasing good electric scooter from Honda. And I think this EM1E will become a classic icon in years to come as Honda will introduce more electric scooter. Of course, iba pa rin yung first model. Thank you, Honda Philippines Incorporated and Honda Safety Driving Center. Honda, number one.